was just told that my father was here. If this were any normal place, I wouldn't have believed it.
What do you mean, Timmy?
Mr. Barrel, who are you?
So could you tell me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify telling all your lies like second nature.
Okay, I haven't been completely honest with you.